both the parents, the mother and the father, have hinted at some kind of a hurried cremation. Now, this is the crematorium manager who's speaking to us. I just want to highlight the bit where he's making it very clear that the cops came 1 hour before the victim's body arrived. He continues to tell us more about the entire sequence of event. He says there were 2 dead bodies who arrived before the victim's body. The cops asked me to cremate the victim's body first, as in the 31-year-old doctor who was brutalized and killed. Police were in a hurry to cremate the body. Not again the media saying this, not any neta saying this. This is a crematorium worker also saying the police were in a hurry to cremate the body. Why was that? The police told me, jaldi karo, rushed me. Jaldi karo is what the Kolkata police told the crematorium guys. Also, he says the mother wasn't there when she was cremated. As per rules, the parents have to be present there. That did not happen. Again, he says the mother reached when the ashes were being immersed. So just think of the kind of hurry I think that the Kolkata police wanted to achieve in this entire last rites. Now, we bring up a lot of these questions that possibly are centered around the hurried cremation angle. Why did the Kolkata police want a hurried cremation? Why would anyone want that if they have nothing to hide? Did the hurried cremation compromise the investigation, the sanctity of the investigation? The next question. The mother blames the top cop for the hurried cremation. Is this now largely becoming true? Next question. Is it a hurried cremation akin to tampering of evidence? Something that even the court has been alluding towards. Who ordered the Kolkata cops to push for the hurried cremation is our next question that you see on your screens. Let's listen in now to what the crematorium manager had to say.
दादा आपसे पूछूंगा पहले तो आपका नाम बताइए।
रनाथ पत्सु।
दादा ये बताइए कि जब ये बॉडी आई थी यहाँ पे लड़की की बॉडी आई थी तब क्या माहौल था, कितने पुलिस वाले थे साथ?
बहुत सारे थे, वीआईपी भी थे, गाड़ी भी थे, 2-3 बॉडी भी थे, बॉडी के आदमी भी थे। बहुत कंजेस्टेड हो गया था एरिया, तो पुलिस हमको पहले ही आके जानकारी दी थी कि हम लोग को बॉडी आएगा। हमको मालूम है क्या टीवी में सारा दिन ब्रेकिंग न्यूज़ चल रहा है, तो बोला जो हो सकते तो इसको जो डिकम्पोज होने का चांस है। हमने हाँ तो होगा, जो जैसे सचराचर होता है कि पोस्टमार्टम बॉडी 6-7 बजे के अंदर आ जाते हैं, लेकिन 12 बजे हो गया। लेकिन कानून व्यवस्था के लिए भी ठीक नहीं था, इतना कंजेस्ट पूरा आदमी भर गया था, इसलिए बोला जो जल्दी हो सकते। तो हम उसका माता पिता भी हमको कुछ नहीं बोला जो नहीं 2 बॉडी के पहले 2 बॉडी के बाद ही हमको हमारी लड़की को जलाया जाए, ऐसे कुछ नहीं बोला है। हम लोग सहानुभूति के चलते हम बोला वो लोग बोला जो हो सकते तो पहले कर दीजिए। तो हम जो बॉडी थे उसको बोले है जो हम लोग को मोहल्ले का लड़की है, तो मान लिया जो ठीक है, डॉक्टर भी था, ऐसे दुर्घटना हुआ था, छोड़ दो, पहले लाइन में दे दो। तो सब लोग का आदमी भी मान लिया, और ऐसे हम लोग सहानुभूति के चलते हम लोग बोले जो छोड़ दो, तो हो गया।
और ये पुलिस ने आपको कितने घंटे पहले बोला? जब बॉडी आ गई थी तब आपसे रिक्वेस्ट किया या उससे पहले ही पुलिस ने आके रिक्वेस्ट?
पहले 1 घंटा आगे पुलिस आ गए थे इधर। पुलिस आके हमको जानकारी दी, हम लोग को एक लड़की ऐसे हुआ। हम लोग तो बोले हैं आपको मालूम है, तो बोले जो आएगा तो थोड़ा देखिएगा, थोड़ा जल्दी हो सकते थे। हम लोग ठीक है।
और कितनी बॉडी दादा पहले थी? 2। उनके तरफ से कोई
असुविधा नहीं हुआ था, उस मान लिया था। हम लोग जब रजिस्ट्री किया तो बोले थे जो ऐसा एक लड़की है, बोला हाँ सब कोई को मालूम है, तो आगे हो तो दे दीजिए।
पुलिस ने ये कहा था कि बॉडी डिकम्पोज हो सकती है, इसलिए जल्दी।
हाँ तो हो सकता है कि सवेरे के मारा हुआ है 12 बजे, तो ऐसे तो डिकम्पोज होने का तो चांस ही होगा ही।
और दादा कोई वीआईपी आया था, कोई लोकल नेता?
लोकल हम लोग को वीआईपी एमएलए सर भी थे, काउंसलर भी थे।
और बॉडी आप देखे थे सर?
नहीं, बॉडी हम जैसे देखते नहीं है, हम लोग तो ऑफिस में लिखा पड़ेगा, मशीन के काम देखते हैं, तो बॉडी तो ऐसे देखते देखते हम लोग तो हैबिचुएट हो गया था।
So you remember is the manager of the crematorium, and I think Sabyasachi, every word that he has said today should shake all us up. And even Mamata Banerjee, you know, if she is not aware of this, this is a bigger problem. And if she is aware of this and still wanting to cover up the entire case, I mean, we are at a loss of words, Sabyasachi. You've left the coverage on the entire story. Now tell me something. Is it largely now getting established that there were 3 bodies, out of which the police said कि इस वाली बॉडी को पहले क्रिमेट करिए, जल्दी करिए, So what is this hurry for? Have we heard absolutely anything from the Kolkata police yet on this?
Well, see, the Kolkata police has been denying all the charges. Now, the parents of the victim has leveled serious allegation how the investigation was carried out, how there were several lapses from the Kolkata police. In fact, the mother of the victim, while speaking to Times Now, says that she had to wait for almost 3.5 hours at the RG Kaur hospital to see her daughter's face, and the police did not allow. She, in fact, went on to record say that she had to even touch the feet of Kolkata police to allow her to see her daughter's face. And both the father and mother have said that whether it comes to the postmortem was done in a hurry. Also, when it comes to the cremation was done in a hurry. Now, we have spoken to both the manager as well as the staff of the cremation ground. The manager says that the police, in fact, reached the crematorium ground an hour before the dead body arrived, and they said, the manager, that the dead body needs to be cremated first. At that time also, there were other bodies present at the cremation center. Now, the staff also had leveled serious allegations stating that Kolkata police told them that jaldi karo, jaldi karo. Now, in fact, when the mother was also not present at the spot when the body was cremated, in fact, the mother reached the cremation ground when the ashes were emerged at Ganga. Now, there was large amount of Kolkata police personnel who were present at the cremation center. In fact, the manager also stated that there were VIPs also present. The local councillor, MLAs were also present there. Okay. So that raises a lot of questions and somewhat concretes the claim that the parents have been making regarding the Kolkata police, stating that they don't have any trust in Kolkata police. The investigation led by them, there has been serious lapses. That all concretes by the version that is coming in from the manager of the cremation center.
So, Sabyasachi, what I'll do is I'll just